If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making NALI KAKARA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 1 tablespoon of that. Then 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, 2/3 cup of jaggery or gur, a 1/4 cup of ghee and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and in that add about 1 cup of water, followed by all the jaggery, and over medium flame boil this for a couple of minutes till the gur is completely dissolved. Then to that add the ghee, salt and the powder and mix it up really well. Now before adding the flour, lower the flame to low, then add all the flour, and keeping it on low flame, continuously you need to stir it to combine them really well. And after some time you will notice the water content will be reduced, and also because of the ghee, the flour mixture will not stick to the sides of the pan, as you can see. So at this stage, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Then after that, remove it to a plate or a bowl and knead it. Then take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball first. That's it. Now keeping it in between your palm, shape it as a cylinder, but it should not be too thin, else it will break in the oil, just like this. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium and slide them one by one. And as the flour is already half cooked and we are frying these on medium flame, it will cook much faster. So after some time, when these got light brown color, remove them to a plate and they should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, NALI KAKARA. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.